And good day, everyone. Holiday theme painting today. This is a condensed version of something I posted on Patreon about a year ago. I thought I'd put it out because everybody has their Christmas lights out and see Christmas trees going into houses, and I didn't have time to paint anything, so I'm going to repost this guy and share it with you YouTubers. So I did my pencil sketch with a hard lead pencil and then outlined my two main characters with a Lamy Safari fine point pen. And the ink is Diatramentus Archive ink, which is a waterproof ink. So I got my characters down, and now I'm going in and getting after the fence in the background. So it's like negative painting, wet and wet. I think I've got a 1/4 inch flat brush going, and that's just a mix of ultramarine, Payne's gray, and I got some burnt sienna in there as well. I'm trying to keep it light. I'm working around the characters. I want the characters to be the focal point, so I didn't want the fence to be too dark in the background. Now this is a city scene, kind of the seedy side of town, where this guy is doing his business. And so I went in with like a raw sienna yellow ochre to give it kind of a smoggy look in the background. So I just wet the entire back area really loosely and then mopped out just above the fence with the paper towel to provide some atmosphere. Now I'm going to paint the buildings in the background in silhouette. So this is again the same, almost the same colors as the fence, but just a little bit lighter, a little more watered down. So that's a combination of Payne's gray and ultramarine. Might even be a bit of purple in there. And again, I wanted to keep that atmosphere between the fence and the background building, so I'm leaving that really kind of washed out right at the base of it. So I'm just working with that's the 1/4 inch flat again. And I'm just making up some buildings as I go. I want to keep them soft and fuzzy with little detail just to keep them back there in the distance. So on my Santa's left, I got a garbage can, some Davies gray, some Payne's gray, some ultramarine. There comes some burnt sienna for the rusty bits. And it's all wet and wet. Loaded it up and just letting the paint do its thing on the paper. And here's a random wooden crate in behind there as well. So that's just a burnt sienna, a raw sienna. And here comes the burnt sienna. Again, wet and wet to create some texture. And while those two are drying, I'm going to get after the foreground. And that's straight up Payne's gray. Nice and wet. I want the immediate foreground to be dark. And hopefully feed your eye back to my main characters. Using the same color for the shadow on the underside of Santa and his trusty pooch. Now with everything dry, I'm coming in with some darker paint on that fence to define the boxes, like the garbage can and the box. They were kind of blending in with the fence, so I'm just adding a bit of color to darken them up so those jump out a bit, and of course separate my Santa from the fence at the back and the dog. So I'm just adding a little more color to the fence. And with the shadows, I can really start to place my two characters in the painting. I let everything dry, and a little bandana on the dog. My daughter is always making bandanas for the dog, so there's my homage. Nice green bandana on the doggy. Very festive looking fellow. So for his color, I wanted to keep it soft and keep him nice and round. The ink hardened him up a bit and gives a hard edge, so I'm going to try and make him a little softer with the color. So that's just a wet and wet. I started out with a really pale raw sienna, And then I drop some darker color in there. I think that's a bit of burnt sienna in at the base on the underside of his rolls. Now with everything dry, I'm coming in with a little more shadow work to further define the garbage can and the crate and add a little more shadow to my Santa. Now the Santa suit is, well, let's just say it's really well used. It's probably seen some better days. So I'm using a wet and wet with a cadmium red for the base color. And I'm just dropping some stains in there with some burnt sienna right into the crotch and where the pants meet the jacket. And adding a few details to the boots. That's just a Payne's gray for the boots. Looks like he's got a Salvation Army kettle going. So that again will be red. All wet and wet. And dropping some darker red on the underside for some shadow. I've got my number 2 round out to add in some detail to the dog. And that's just a combination of browns just to define his girth. I have the bottom half of the painting done, so I can jump in now and start to define the characters with the ink. So I got it pretty well mapped out. I know where I'm going, so now it's more or less a coloring book approach. Here I'm using a yellow ochre, a bit of blue, and a bit of red for the skin tones. And right at the fingers there, I've added a bit more burnt sienna. I'm a child of the 60s, and I remember going to see the Santa Clauses in those days, and it seems like they all had nicotine stains on their fingers. I know my dad had nicotine stains on his fingers. I don't see that anymore, but I just added that little detail to the Santa. Face color again it's a yellow ochre with a bit of ultramarine and just a hint of cadmium red in there. All nice and wet. I don't want to go in too dark. And the jacket is going to be the same approach as the pants. So it's a cadmium red, wet and wet. Really loading up the brush and getting it nice and wet in there so I can add in the other colors, the burnt sienna for the stains and other dirty bits. There I'm just evening out the colors because it wasn't quite the same color as the pants. The face was still damp, so another little touch of cadmium red for his nose. His belt is just a combination of Payne's Gray and Indigo. with the wet mixture of raw sienna, I can now add some stains and some dirt to the toque and Santa's jacket. Now I can add in some shadows, dirty up his beard a bit, and add some age and character to his face. Rather than ink the fence, the box, and the crate and make those really hard edges, I decided to go in with colored pencil and just outline the fence, the garbage can, and the crate so that all the inking is more or less on my main characters and keeping the focus there. So there it is. I've got the tape off. Happy holidays to everybody. There is my sidewalk Santa.